welcome back to the channel. Well, starting this YouTube channel 4 years ago, I was set out to show you just how easy it is to work on a BMW. Mostly an N54, just because of the high maintenance cost and everything else like that. And you know, taking it somewhere, it's going to be definitely expensive. That's just how it is as far as from the labor perspective. But in my easy to follow DIYs, you know, I show you guys all that stuff, just how, you know, you can do it yourself. Anybody can really work on a BMW. So I just try to make it more comfortable for you. So from that perspective, and also throwing in, you know, as far as, you know, what to look out for when you're buying a BMW and everything else like that. I mean, that's definitely a really big key thing. When you're out searching for your BMW, you want to be able to make a right financial decision as far as, you know, making sure the engine is more so in check. So that's what I'm here to help out with. From that side of things. So that's why I started doing those videos and putting it out there. And even if just a few videos or even one of the videos helped you out and that's all you needed, hey, that's fine with me. Any kind of video I can help anybody out whatsoever, that's obviously my goal here at the channel. Guys, we definitely done it. We hit 80,000 subscribers, which is crazy. You know, off to 90, then off to 100. You know, of course, this channel would not be here without you guys. You know, you guys, the viewers, the subscribers, you know, and everything else like that. So I appreciate all your support, of course, through the long journey. I've had a lot of long time subscribers ever since I was, you know, I had like 10. So they're still around with the channel. So I appreciate you guys for still sticking around from all that time. It's quite a while to continue to watch the channel. So guys, finishing up a DIY here later today into tomorrow. So I'll have that out tomorrow. So that's a nice little interior mod as far as changes go, and then a lot of other good changes. And then I got to get my downpipes going so I can get that DIY out as well. All right, guys, you know, thanks again. I appreciate your support. I'll talk to you next time. Take care.